Yeah, bro. Two-parter.
Lay it upon me.
What do both overexcited cattle dogs
Yes.
and rear-wheel drive vehicles be prone to a bit of?
Oversteer.
Correct. What
Lock it in, Eddie.
What do both lazy cattle dogs and front-wheel drive vehicles be prone to a bit of?
Understeer?
Left behind.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
I was so rapt that I got oversteer. Like,
Establishing that rear-wheel drive vehicles are better than front-wheel drive vehicles.
yeah, left behind.
And I guess in retrospect, that's not actually comedy, that's just fact.
Yeah, well, there's nothing funny about the truth, is there?
No. Okay, well, Foul Friday.
I'll still have my fill.